Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. For this week's video, I wanted to do a Halloween look because, well, Halloween is coming. Although I'm not doing anything interesting like going out to a party or something, I'm just going to stay in. I thought, why not have some fun and do a makeup look, and then I'm going to relax and chill for the rest of the night. I'm going to watch some movies and have a party for myself. And maybe my husband is going to join me. I'm not sure because he's not a Halloween fan. Not at all. But anyways, I know that lots of you guys are going to stay in this year for Halloween because of COVID and the crazy things that are going and the restrictions and everything. So I really liked this makeup look when I saw it on Instagram at Jamie Genevieve. I loved this makeup so much and I wanted to try it out for myself, and I thought, why not film a tutorial with it and get our Halloween mood on. So I really loved this makeup and I was so excited to try it out. I'm loving it so much. So if you want to know how to create it, then please keep on watching. Ta-da-da-da-da-da! It's Halloween time, baby. Let's get our clown mask on. Hello! We're going to start by priming our face, and I'm going to use Angel Veil. This is a skin perfecting primer, and this much is enough. I'm applying it in the center of the face. This is going to blur any fine lines, any imperfections. It's going to blur the pores, and it's going to leave the skin super matte and velvety feeling. And the makeup is going to last so much more and it's going to look perfect. Next is foundation, and I'm going to combine these two beauties together. And I'm taking one pump of the Stay Naked and one pump from the Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear. And I'm going to apply it with a brush. And I'm applying it to the whole face. The brush that I am using is NYX 04 brush. It's a dual fiber brush and I really like to apply foundation with it. And I'm going to drag this combination down to my neck because my neck is a little bit whiter than the rest of my body. Now it's time for concealer, and I'm using Super Stay from Maybelline. You know that I love this concealer so much. I'm going to apply it under the eyes, on the bridge of the nose, my center of the forehead. I'm going to leave this area alone because here is where the clown mask is going to be. I need to wet my beauty blender. I will be right back. I have wet my beauty blender and now I'm going to remove the excess water from it in a napkin. And now I'm going to blend the concealer. Next I'm going to powder everything to set in place the under eye area, forehead, because I want this makeup to last and to look beautiful. And I'm also going to powder around my mouth area where I usually tend to get a little bit oily. And now I'm going to bronze and contour my face, and I'm using this palette from KVD, and I'm taking this shade right here and a little bit of this dark one. I really want this look to be bronzy. So now that I am pretty bronzed, I'm going to move on to the eyes. I have here my reference photo of the makeup that I want to recreate. And I see here that one eye is a smoky eye and the other one is a sultry gold makeup look. So we're going to do that. To prep my lid, I'm going to use Soft Ochre Paint Pot from MAC Cosmetics. And I'm applying it with my damp sponge. I'm going to use my Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette, the first one, and I'm going to start applying this shadow right here in the crease, and I'm using my MAC 224 brush, and I'm applying the same transition to the both eyes. Now, with this dark brown and 228 brush from Zoeva, I'm going to apply this color into the crease. And with that, whatever is left on the brush, I'm going to drag it towards the crease color that we've done earlier, and I'm going to blend the two together. And we're going to do this only for the smoke eye. I'm coming with the first brush again and I'm blending the edges. When I'm blending the two colors together, I'm using left and right motions and also circular ones. And it's very important to elongate the eyes towards the temple. Next, I'm coming with black eyeshadow and a flat brush. This is 232. I'm going to tap it on the lid. And I'm dragging it to the inner corner here. And also, if you are tapping, then you won't have any fallout. Now we're going to blend the dark brown with the black eyeshadow. And I'm applying the transition color once again to blend everything even more. I'm going to use this dark brown, the lower lash line, and I'm using 325 brush from Zoeva. And I'm not afraid to apply a lot of eyeshadow underneath the eyes to make it look grungy. We're going to blend this shade with the transition one. And then I'm going to stamp some black eyeshadow at the root of the lashes to intensify the eye. And with the black pencil, this one is from LA Girl, it's the Glide Gel Liner. I'm going to apply it in my tight line and in my waterline. Now we're going to move on to the other eye, and I'm going to apply this shade right here, right in the crease. And then this shade right here with a smaller brush, this is 231. I'm going to stamp the outer corner of the eye and also in the crease. And then I'm going to blend the edges with whatever left on the brush. I'm coming with the other brush and I'm blending it out even more. And then again I am intensifying the outer corner. And I blend and I repeat these steps until I achieve the intensity that I want. So on the lower lash line I'm going to apply the exact same colors that I have applied to this eye. Now I'm going to line my waterline and tight line. It's not something that I enjoy doing, but it makes such a big difference. On the lid, I'm going to apply this gold shade, and I am using a flat brush. And I'm applying this color into the inner corner, and I am dragging it above the crease line so you can see it when your eyes are open. I love this gold so much, it's so beautiful. Oh, I have fallout. Let's see. Because I have powdered so well under my eyes, then the fallout is gone. And I am blending these two colors together. Next, I want to apply some glitter to my eye, and I'm using the NYX glitter glue, and I put some on the back of my hand, and I'm taking it on a fluffy brush, and I am pressing the glitter glue onto the lid. And I'm going to use this glitter. I have ordered this one on Amazon, and with the same brush that I have applied the glue on, I am applying the glitter, and it's going to stick. I apply a little bit to the inner corner. I'm removing the excess glitter from the face. And next, what I like to do is come back with the eyeshadow and press it on the glitter. And this is going to change the color of the glitter a little bit, and it also is going to give some dimension. I'm also going to apply it on the inner corner here as well. And I'm coming back and I'm blending with the dark brown. Now on this side I'm going to do a wing, and I'm using Epic Ink liner from NYX, and I'm going to do a big bold wing. And after I have the shape that I want, I just fill in with black, and I want to make sure that I have eyeliner between my eyelashes. Now I'm going to apply loads of mascara, and I am using On the Rise by NYX. This elongates the lashes so much, and it's buildable. After I apply the first coat, I'm coming with the second one. I'm going to apply to the lower lashes as well, and I'm going to make them chunky. Now I'm going to apply some lashes, and for this eye I'm going to use this pair because I wanted to elongate the eyes a little bit. And I'm going to use my new favorite lash glue. This is Duo in green writing. This is latex free. And for the other eye I'm going to use this pair of magnetic lashes. It's applied with a magic eyeliner. I'm going to apply it to the base. I'm going to stick them, and this adhesive eyeliner is acting like a lash glue. And we're going to apply the other lash. And in order to lift my eye a little, I'm not going to stick it to the outer corner, I'm going to stick it a little bit higher. So it's going to elongate a little more the eyes. Okay, now I'm going to do my eyebrows, and I will be back in 2 seconds. And for my eyebrows, I'm going to use Benefit Gimme Brow Plus in number 3. So I will be right back. Okay, so I've done my brows really fast. And now with an eyebrow pencil, I'm going to sketch the mask. So after I have sketched a little bit, I'm going to take the white Saphix from NYX, and I think I'm going to try and mix it with some foundation on the back of my hand. I will see how this goes. And I am taking a flat brush, and I try and mix them together. This is perfect. And now I'm going to make the whole mask white. I'm also going to paint my bottom lip. This look is so much fun. I'm enjoying it so much. And now we need to set this with powder. I think it's better to apply the powder with the puff. Now that everything is set, I'm coming with the black eyeliner and I am drawing my nose and I'm making it round and I am painting it black. For the bottom lip, I'm going to use the same eyebrow pencil and I'm going to intensify the shadow. And I'm outlining the bottom lip and then I'm going to drag the corners of the mouth up to create the clown mouth. Then I'm going to draw the lips and I'm going to outline them. And I'm also using my Epic ink liner for this step. Next, I'm going to outline the whole clown mask with Epic ink and I'm drawing these flower clown motifs that you can associate the costume of a clown with. I don't know how to call them, but we will just call them clown flowers. And I'm drawing them all over my mask area. I'm going to take this palette again and the same brush that I have applied the eyeshadow on the lower lash line. And I'm using the darker shade from the palette and I'm going to intensify the nose. I'm blending the edges down the sides of the nose. With a pencil brush, I'm coming with the yellow shade from the palette and I'm going to highlight. And with the same shade, I'm going to highlight under the brow. I'm going to highlight down the middle of my forehead. And now I want to contour the forehead a little bit more. I'm going to shade the mask and I'm going to apply the same color. I'm going to shade a little bit more with the black eyeshadow to create a little bit of more depth on the areas where we have the fall, just to create the shadows. And this is it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, hanging out with me a little bit. And now I'm going to go on the couch and watch some Halloween movies, not the scary one because I'm not into the scary movies, but the fun ones like Hotel Transylvania or The Witches. I'm just going to eat junk, drink something sparkly and just enjoy my night. I want to thank you so much again for watching and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!